DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So, looking at so-called Trump media stock, it finally came and tapped inside my demand zone. So that means that one of two things: either I'm gonna buy here, or just or I'm not gonna do a thing, because it all depends if the price really gives me the green light for it. Now, certainly speaking, all I'm using is the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions that I've documented and everything. But if I come here, came inside of demand zone, two ways this can move on, because I'm looking more so biased on the bullish side. If it, I'm gonna wait. Like if it gives me like a double break above here, only then I'd try and capitalize on the following there. This looks very messy, but on the other side is if it really just goes deeper and then gives me the exact double break that I'm waiting for here. Just a white color accumulation, so it's not financial advice. Certainly going to keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check out the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.